What access support is available from the Arts Council of Wales? This video outlines our access support provision, how to arrange that support, and the process involved. More information can be found on the Arts Council of Wales website and via the linked QR code image on screen. Access support is available to people who identify as D-deaf, disabled or neurodivergent, as well as those with learning difficulties, mental health conditions or poor health. It offers one-to-one support to help applicants confidently write and submit their applications. Support can cover budgeting, application forms, supporting documents and submission, and is available either online or in person through a chosen professional or our access support network. Please be aware that access support differs from Creative Steps application coaches. Coaches help to shape the proposal, whereas access support helps to communicate this proposal to us. We offer access support to empower people who identify as D-deaf, disabled or neurodivergent, as well as those with learning difficulties, mental health conditions or poor health to communicate ideas confidently, and so that we are providing tailored support with empathy, flexibility and compassion. Once the project and applicant eligibility have been confirmed, we'll then confirm access support eligibility before the access form is completed. We can also offer support with completing this access form if needed. If the applicant has an access professional they'd like to work with in mind, then arrangements will be confirmed with both parties. Otherwise, we will source suitable options from a call out to our network and agree upon next steps with the applicant and access professional. For new matches, an introductory meeting is arranged and optional tools like an access rider are offered. From there, applicants and access support workers work together on the application. After the support concludes and the application is submitted, the invoice and work log are processed, and applicants are asked for their feedback. There is a range of support available for applicants across our grants and funding schemes. We can pay for up to 3 days of access support for Create and Engage, research and development, and festival applications. Up to 2 days for international opportunities, Creative Steps and resubmissions, and up to 1 day for creative practice applications. A minimum of 2 weeks' notice is required before fund deadlines. Our access network consists of 20 freelance access support professionals active in the arts sector, who are experienced in helping applicants overcome a range of barriers and offer trauma-informed, bilingual and safeguarding-aware support. The network responds to support requests for applicants who do not already have an access support provider, with matches made based on applicant choice. Providers are trained and supported on an ongoing basis and are DBS checked, with feedback encouraged throughout. Access support focuses on helping the lead applicant to write and submit applications, arranged via the access email. Personal access costs relate to support for managing and delivering the project, which is then included in the project's budget and used during the project period for the creative team. Both contribute to accessibility, and there is some overlap in addressing barriers and supporting completion reports. Ideally, costs for access support for completion reports will be included within the project budget, but this can be arranged by contacting the access support email once grantees are ready to start writing the report. Call-outs usually take around 1 week, followed by an introductory call once a provider is chosen. You should contact the access email when you're ready to start writing your application, and this should be at least 2 weeks before the fund's deadline. Speaking to an officer or relationship manager is recommended before requesting resubmission access support. If needed, support is available via phone or video call to complete the access form. For any access queries or requests, please contact us at access.support@arts.wales. We welcome feedback at any time, with a formal opportunity to share your views through our annual survey for those who have received access support. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to get in touch. We're always happy to help.